Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you want to arrive at your destination feeling your best? I think staying healthy and feeling great during a flight starts with what you bring on board. And with just a few simple to bring essentials, you can feel better and feel more rested when you arrive. So first of all, I would recommend a pill organizer. So I have one that keeps everything like my motion sickness pills or my airborne for immune support or my nausea lozenges or anything else that I might need, totally organized and easy for me to get to, even if I'm in a narrow seat in flight. So don't skip bringing your medication with you just because you don't have a good way to carry it. This pill organizer is the best. I never travel without electrolyte hydration powder packets. They're easy to bring with you and you can add them to the water they may give you on the plane, or if you bring a refillable water bottle, a lot of airports have refilling stations, so you can stay hydrated, and that's one of the most important ways to feel well while traveling. Now, I also pack some immune support spray and moisturizing eye drops. Both of these are small enough to take with me through security. Now, airplane cabins are incredibly dry. Humidity can be as low as 17%, which is what causes dry eyes and dry sinuses, headaches, and discomfort. Now, gum is a must-have for me. It keeps my ears unblocked during takeoff and landing, so make sure you have that in a place where you can grab it easily. Now, speaking of comfort, I personally always bring snacks because I don't want to end up hangry mid-flight. For relaxation, I bring my Apollo Neuro. Now, this is a wearable device and it keeps me calm and relaxed even on the most stressful flights. And for rest, I pack noise-canceling headphones in earplugs and a sleep mask. So whatever I need to block out distractions is available to me. The best part of all of this, all of these items fit easily in my personal item. I can keep them within arm's reach no matter how long the flight is. I don't have to store them overhead. I can keep them right at my feet. So I hope these tips help you to feel better and travel healthier on your next flight so that you arrive refreshed and ready for your next adventure. I'm Sarah with WTI. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to check out the links to the products I showed here in my video and follow WTI for more travel tips.